Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I have been watching YouTube. Just got out of the shower. I've been watching YouTube a lot lately. And I've been looking for some videos about BB guns because I have a sniper that's pumped, 2 pistols, one's broken, one's brand new. I've been looking a lot about BB guns. Here's the one that I have right here. I like this pistol so much. I had my pistol.
Here's all the statistics. You can see it right there.
That's my beauty. That's the kind of gun I have.
And you'll notice.
But I've been looking for actually some different types of weapons. Like, let's just say an example. So if you go to here, I got BB gun Sim 4s. Nope. No, down my last look back. There we go. There's this one, an M4. I love this gun so much. And that's not the gun I'm actually looking for. It is actually the green one right there. And I've been wanting one really lately, so I'm gonna save my allowance up. And I will